Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to create OBS for our project, and first of all we will discuss that what are OBS. OBS stands for organizational breakdown structure. Organizational breakdown structure means that what are the setup and a system of your company to organize their work and supervise, manage and control their all the project management procedure. So we will go to enterprise, and after that we will move toward OBS, and here I have added some OBS that we have mechanical engineers, finishing supervisor, and all the other OBS, civil engineers, electrical engineers, procurement managers. For example, we have a civil engineering work, so we will select civil engineer from there. This is a civil engineer and its OBS description. In description we will add that he is responsible for all the civil engineering works of our company and responsibility. Now we will assign a WBS to him so that he will work on that WBS. So for WBS we will first create WBSs, and now we will create another OBS. For OBS I will press add, and a new OBS will be, for example, our company will deal any architectural work. For that I will add architect. In this way we can add architect as an OBS, and in general we will enter its description that he will be responsible for all the architectural work in our company, and its responsibility. In its responsibility we will assign a WBS to him or a project which he will lead. And in display all OBS we will go to, we can see all these OBS in columns, and change their displays setting. For example, we are seeing this chart view that all the managers will work under a project director, as we can see that there is a OBS project director, and under project director there will be mechanical engineer, finishing supervisor, engineering and construction, and all the lower staff will under project director. So we will close this, and I will again to enterprise OBS, and I will change its view to column or a table view, and under project director there will be a mechanical engineer, finishing supervisor, engineering and construction manager, or manufacturing, civil engineer, and all the other. And we can assign, if you want to add any OBS under existing OBS. For example, we have an electrical engineer and there will be an electrical supervisor. After that there will be electrical foreman, and after that we will enter labor. Labor comes under resources, so we will enter our staff up to electrical foreman. So in electrical engineer, we will press add. After clicking on electrical engineer, we will press add, and we will enter electrical supervisor. Electrical supervisor. So in this way we can add organizational breakdown structure OBS. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can receive notification related to all our incoming videos. Thanks for watching.